How to customize repeat notification interval on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on notifications. So after click on notification, you will see click on advanced setting. So after click on advanced settings, you will see repeat notification alert is there. So first of all, turn on this button. So after turn on this button, click on repeat notification alert and click on repeat interval. So after click on repeat interval, so if you want to customize repeat interval notification, so you will see click on 3 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute, 15 minutes. So after selecting 15 minute, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can customize repeat notification in wide interval on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.